Good day guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video we are going to talk an important topic known as operators. Okay, we are going to talk about operators. These operators are very important in programming, which we can use it to do some mathematical or some comparison. Okay, so these operators play a very important role while writing code. So we are going to look at the types of operator we have in programming. We have the arithmetic operator, we have a comparison operator, we have a bitwise operator, we have a boolean operator, we also have compound operator. But in this video I'm going to talk about arithmetics and comparison operator. So the arithmetic operator is just like our simple plus, minus, times, division. As you can see the way I listed it here, this is the arithmetics operator, and these are the operator signs, symbols. Like this equals to, what this equals to does is that it assigns the right value to the left value. So whenever you are using an equals to, that means you are assigning any value that is in the right to the left, just like this one. Now can't you see that we use a equals to 10? That means we use this equals symbol to assign this value 10 to a. Okay, so that is what this equals to does. I will also tell you the difference between this equals to here and this one here. These are two different type of equals, and I will tell you what they are meant for while programming. But know that whenever you are using a single equals sign, equals symbol, that you are using it to assign a value, just like the one I showed you here, that we use it to assign 10 to a. Okay, then we have our normal plus, our normal subtraction, our multiplication, our division, and the module. This one is used for getting a remainder. Maybe if you want to have a remainder of any value, use this symbol here, this percentage symbol here, to get the remainder. Okay, so here let me show you some examples of normal arithmetics operator. We can say a plus b, that means we are adding 10 and 20. Okay, so if we use c minus c subtract, if you use this subtract symbol, we are subtracting a from c. That means you are doing c minus a, which is 30 minus 10. Okay, so this is just normal symbol for doing a mathematical assignment. So if you want to do any mathematics assignment, use these operators. But bear in mind that this equal sign is used for assigning a value to it is used to assign the left value to it is used to assign the right value to the left. Okay, then this is the division, just like normal dividing, dividing one value. So that is all about arithmetics operator. So we use this arithmetics symbols or operators to carry out some calculations in our program. Then another one we are going to talk about is comparison operators. So this comparison is different from this arithmetics operator. We use these symbols to compare two values. So just like this double equal sign, we use this double equal sign. This double equal sign simply means equal to. Okay, so if you use this, like just like here now, we use an if statement. We say is a equals to b. That means is the value of b equal to the value of a. Are they the same? You know what equals to mean. So whenever you are using equals to, you want to compare two value whether they are the same, you use this symbol here, which is this one. Okay, that is the difference between this symbol and this symbol. This one is used for assigning, while this one is used to check if two value are of the same type. So that is why it is called equal to. It is called equal to. You see that we have double equal sign. And why this one is not equal to, that means we are comparing the right value. Yeah, if we use this not equals to, it means are you saying that the value in the right is not equals to the value. What this thing simply means is that, are you saying that the value at the right is not equal to the value at the left? So that is the sign not equal. The sign equal means are the two values equal to each other, while not equal means are these two values, is the right value not equal to the left value. That is the sign of this not equal to. Okay, so then another one is less than. You all of us know what less than is all about. Less than means if you are comparing two values, you will say is the right value or is the left value lesser than the right value. Okay, I'm going to show you some of example now. Then this one is greater than, this one is less, this one is less than, this one is greater than, this one is less than or equal to. No, less than or equal to. So that is what this sign means. That means you are saying if is the left value lesser or equal to the right value. Okay, likewise if you are using this greater than or equal to, that means you are saying is the left value greater than or equal to the right value. So we are using this thing to compare this. We are using these symbols, that is why it is called comparison operators, using it to compare two values. Okay, so this one is equal to, this one is not equal to, this one is less than, this one is greater than, this one is less than or equal to, while this one is greater than or equal to. So if the left value is greater than, that means it's true. If the left value is equal to the right value, that means it's true. So this is this symbol here and this one are both two ways. Either the left value is less than the right value or is equals to the right value. Okay, so I hope you understand this comparison operators. Just like this example, that is what we normally use it in our if statement whenever we want to give any condition. Okay, we use it to give condition, just like this one here. I just wrote if a, and you know we have also declared a as a variable. We have declared a which is 10, b which is 20, c which is 30. Then we are now comparing these two values. So we are now saying is a equal to b. If a is 20, that means the condition is true, because 20 is equals to 20, which is a, which is 20, is equals to 20 of b. But now the condition is false because a is 10, a is not 20, so a is not equal to b. So if we go ahead to execute this and to print it out, it's going to print out false. That is what we use the if statement. We say is a, this is the condition, is a equals to b, which is false. But if this condition is true, it's going to print serial.print true. But if the condition is false, it's going to go to this else, print this in as false because the condition is false. So if we try to execute this one, now you see that what we are going to get is false because a is not equals to b. Okay, but if we say now, let's go here and say less than. If we say a less than b, which is true because a, which is 10, is less than 20, 10 is less than 20, that means this condition is true. Then we are going to get a true printout. Okay, so but if we use this symbol now, greater than, you can see that a is not greater than b. A is 10, b is 20, 10 is not greater than 20. We are going to get false. Okay, if that likewise any of this symbol that we use, any of this comparison symbol that we use it to compare two things. Okay, so that is all about this video. In our next video we will talk about bitwise and boolean and compound. The reason why I separated this thing is because this bitwise and boolean has the explanation is very long, so I can't compile all of them in one video. That's why I splitted it into two. So in our next video we are going to talk about bitwise operator, boolean operator and compound operator. So thank you guys for watching. See you in our next video.